Brandon, hi, how are you?
Hi, Linda.
Great to see you again.
Good to see you.
My name is Linda Barlow, and I live in Boxford, Massachusetts. We heard about Norfolk Kitchen and Bath through an ad on the television. We went up there, we walked in, and we saw the countertops that we loved, the cabinets that we loved. Then we met with Brandon, and he helped us pull the whole thing together.
My name is Brandon Noyes, and I am a designer for Norfolk Kitchen and Bath out of our Salem, New Hampshire location. I've been designing kitchens for over 30 years, and what I've found to be most enjoyable in doing that is when I can really help transform a client's space to be more functional and aesthetically pleasing.
We're excited to show you the kitchen.
Oh, wow.
We absolutely love everything that you have done.
Looks great in person.
Oh, it's fantastic.
How about the 16.5-foot island?
Everyone comments it, and they're all jealous about it. We absolutely love the space it gives. It allows 6 people to have a meal at the same time. And we love the 2 trash cans that you have given us and the 2 dishwashers.
And it looks like there's going to be plenty of storage in here for you cooking.
Yes, I love the soft closed doors and how deep the drawers are.
This must be your spice drawer, yeah?
Yes, and that works perfectly being right next to the stove.
Built-in microwave drawer.
I love that it's hidden and no one can see it.
Well, let's have you show me the coffee bar.
Here is the coffee bar beverage center.
Looks great.
It's a lot of use. We love the garage, how the door stays up. We love the integrated design of the refrigerator.
And these pocket doors, get them out of the way.
Absolutely. My husband is a big connoisseur of coffee, so this works perfectly for him. And then when he's done, it is great just to close them and get it out of the way. I know you all primarily do kitchens and baths, but we absolutely love our bookcases. We love the extra storage, how the moldings match the moldings in the kitchen.
And it was nice to tie in your fireplace surround and hearth to the countertops.
That's a great way to tie the 2 rooms together. We absolutely love it. Brandon, we want to thank you so much for all that you did. We absolutely love the kitchen and the cabinets in the family room, and we look forward to having dinners here for many, many years to come.
Well, thank you. I enjoyed working with you and your husband. You guys made my job easy. You knew what you wanted. We had some challenges with the size of the island, but I think we can both agree it all came together quite nice.
Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. We couldn't be happier with it. Thank you.